Hello everyone. So this is Shafquan Alam, and today I'm going to be share with you how to build a website with Kajabi. Okay. So for those if you don't know Kajabi, so Kajabi is a all-in-one platform. So there are so many things inside Kajabi. If you want to create website, if you want to build landing page, if you want to sell digital products, okay, if you want to create funnel, if you want to automate your business. So there are so many things, but in this video I'm going to be share with you how to build website with Kajabi. Okay, and before that, can you like this video? Please like this video. And before that, if you did not create your Kajabi account, so you can check out the link is in the description. So click on the below link and create your Kajabi account. You will get 30-day free trial. Okay. If you go directly to the Kajabi website, it will show you the 14-day free trial. Okay. But if you go through my link, which is down below, so you will get 30-day free trial. So just create your account and use completely for 30 days completely for free. Okay. Explore it. Now once you create your Kajabi account, so it will show you like this. Okay, so today I will show you the website, how to build website with Kajabi. So as you can see here, website. Okay, so there is a website option and it will show you here design. So these websites I am building this website. It's not completed, but let me show you. If I click here on the browse themes, so you can see there are so many pages you can use. As your website. Okay, so if you click any one of these, let's say if you click here, it will show you preview. Okay, you can see here it will show you preview. So any pages you want to see, you can see as a preview. If you like it, you can continue with that. Okay, so these are looking very good. Let's say this one, so you can use as a preview. Okay, so whatever you like, you can let's suppose if I click on this one, this page, if I click on this page, so if I click on this page, if you want to use this, you just have to click here, add to save themes, and let me show you. All right, so here you can see, if I click here on customize, so once you click here, so it will show you this page. You can see this, right? So you can customize all of it, and let me show you some feature. As you can see here on the left side, there is a header, right? So this one is header option. You can see this block. This block is header option. If you click here, header option, so it will show you here. If you want to change the color of header, so click here, header background color. If you want to if you want to add this color, so it will add this color. So any color if you want to, if you want transparent, you can use this one like this. Okay, so this is the header one. If you click here back, you can see here this is hero section. Okay, so I'll explain everything step by step. See here, add section. You can add so many things. You can customize as per your convenience. If you click here on add section, so as you can see here, these all features. Okay, I'll explain you. I'll show you. I'll tell you one by one. Okay, so number one is text. If you click here on text, okay, bottom, this is the bottom side. If you click here on text, so it will show you like this text. One is headline and sub headline. So if you want some text on your website, if you want to add on some text on the website, you can just click here text. So it is not added, still it is not added, it is showing preview. Okay, if you click here on add, then it will show you. So you can use this if you want to add some text, or there are, you can see 2-column text. If you click here 2-column text, it will show you like this. So you can edit all the text 2-column. Similarly 3-column text. Okay, if you want to add on like this, so you can use this 3-column text feature. Or if you want to show text in panel like this, let me show you this one. So you can add text in panel. If you want to add call to action, definitely you can add call to action. There is a headline and sub headlines and then call to action. So if you want only call to action, you can delete this one. Just click here and it will be edited. Okay, call to action. If you want to add link list, definitely you can add link list here. Form and text. If you want to add a form and along with that text, so here is a form. You have to create a form in Kajabi, inside Kajabi, and you have to attach here. Okay, and it will show some text. If you want to show some text here, you can add this feature, form and text. Okay, so these are the basic content you can see. And the next is hero section. Now what is hero section? If I click here, hero section. So in hero section, it is included headline, okay, this headline and sub headline, and then call to action. So there are 3 blocks. One is headline block, and second is sub headline block, and third is call to action block. Okay, so these 3 blocks are called hero section. Got it? These are the hero section. So if I click here add, so you can use this. And next one is, you can see hero countdown. Okay, if you want to show countdown timer, so there are hero, you can see hero section, headline, sub headline, call to action, and there are countdown timer. So you can use this feature as per your convenience. And you can see here hero with form, right? So if I click here, it will show here form, and same thing it will show here. If I click here hero with form, right? You can see here are hero section and here is form section. See, similarly hero with image. If I click here hero, so it will show here hero image, headline, sub headline, call to action. And if you want to upload some pictures here, you can definitely add. Hero with audio, if you want to add audio, some audio here. Same with hero with audio, if you want to add some video, and if you want to add some text here, and then call to action, right? So these are the hero section. And feature section, if I click here 3 features cards, so it will show you like this. And in all of that, you can add call to action, right? These are the headlines. If you want to add pictures, you can also add headlines, sub headlines, and so you can use as this sub headlines. And if you want to change the background, you can definitely change the background. Similarly 2 feature cards, if you want to show 2 feature cards like this, and background, all of these are customizable. You can change all of the background, right? 3 feature columns like this, 4 feature columns like this. Okay, so these are the basic understanding. If you want to add some more images like carousel, right? Carousel, you can use like this. You can add this. And if I click here marketing and events opt-in form, if you want to click here, so if you want to add form, you can add form. Inline opt-in form, same. Event countdown, if you want to add let's say if you have build any landing pages and there is an event, you can definitely set that event countdown. And multi-video launch, you can add multiple videos, and you can also use it as a testimonial, video testimonial. And there are assessment option, you can also add assessment here. Okay, and next is images. So many images you can add, right? If you want to add only 1 images, you can add. If you want to text, if you want text and image, you can use this feature. If you want image gallery, if you want to add so many pictures, you can use this feature, image gallery, right? And there are audio option. If you want to add audio, definitely you can do that. Text and audio, definitely. Videos, so you can add videos. If you want to add multiple videos, definitely you can do that. Text and video, if you want video gallery. So definitely you can see you can upload more videos. The video embed, if you want to, let's say you have to, if you have a video on YouTube, so all you have to do is just upload here your YouTube videos link, whatever your video is show, right? So that is video embedded. Next is offer and pricing. We're giving any offer for this, so you have to set here offer, and there are some text. Offer storefront. Category handling, you want to categorize your offer. So these are the options. Pricing cards, if you want to show the pricing cards like this, you can use this option, pricing option, right? You can also show pricing options. And at the end of the website, if you want to show some FAQ, frequently asked questions, so definitely you can use this feature like this. Or if you want to show the FAQ in grid, okay, in grid format, you can definitely use this one. Testimonials, there are also testimonial option. If you want to add testimonials, you can add this 2 testimonial, 3 testimonials like this. Okay. So social, if you want to add blog posts, you can definitely do that. 2 blog posts, 3 blog posts, 4 blog posts like this, you can definitely add. Okay. Logo list, if you want to add logo list, right? So definitely you can do that. And there is a custom section and custom code. Okay. And at the bottom you can see here there is a home library, member directory announcement. So if you want to go to the page, so definitely you can, these are the shortcuts. You can go to the Kajabi. Let's say if you want to go to home, you can definitely go to the Kajabi home page. There's the library page. So similarly, if you want to go to the blog page, definitely you can go to the Kajabi blog page. Okay. So these are the features you can use as per your convenient. Okay. So let's say if I click here 3 feature cards. The best part is you can see here at the corner, you can see as a mobile view, right? You can also see, and you can also build website mobile view. And let's suppose in mobile view you don't want to show this section, I mean this section, right? So definitely you can hide this. So if you hide this, so in mobile view this will be hidden, but in desktop view this will be visible. Okay, so that is the best option you can set as per your mobile mobile devices and for desktop devices, right? So these are the best option. Let me show you something. Let's say this one. Okay, I want to edit this one. If you click here, so it will show you here image. You can select image here, and if you want to change the background of this block, okay, or let's say if you want to change the background of this block all, okay, so just click here, and if you go to here, you can see desktop layout and mobile layout. So you can adjust desktop layout also, padding system, and you can also adjust as mobile view. Okay. Now what I was saying, that if I want to change the background of this section, all you have to do, just click here, okay, and just go down and click here background color. Okay, now this is white. If you want to change the background color like this one, you have to select this, and now you can see that it will change the color, right? So whatever you want color, or if you want to add some background images, so definitely you can do that. All you have to do, just click here, select image, and upload a new file. If you click here upload a new file, you have to drag and drop, and it will upload background image. So you can do that. If you want white, you can definitely do that like this. Okay, and you can also change the color of this call to action. Okay, let me show you. Start now, and if I go down, so you can see here button width is full and auto, button style solid and outline. So these are the solid button. If you need outline, so it will show you like this. Okay, so these are the outline, and these are the solid type. So there are also options button size small, medium and large. Okay, if you want border radius, let's say if I do the border radius 10, so it will show you like this button. So you can change, I mean customize everything. Okay, now if you want to change the background of this call to action button, okay, so you can see here button text color, button background color. You can also change the button text color, you can also change the button background color. Let's say I want to change the background button background color. Click here, and if you want to select any color, it will change the background, button background. Let's see, right? So same, you can also change the button text color. If I want to change a red, so it will show you the red text color, right? So everything is customizable. You can change everything, the background image, the text, and you can add so many things here as per your convenience, right? So I hope you find this video valuable. If you find this video valuable, my dear friend, just subscribe this video and subscribe this channel, and I'll see you in the next video for more details. All right, and if you have any questions regarding Kajabi, so just comment below, I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you don't watch my webinar, just click on the below link, how to create rupees 1 lakh per month system. If you understand Hindi, this masterclass is in Hindi. So if you understand Hindi, you should definitely check out. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.